रिकॉर्डिंग चालू नहीं किया था मैंने इसका।
Recording I have started. Last session also it get recorded. So no worry. I think now everyone is here, right?
हाँ हाँ
So now you have removed one element, discarded one element. But suppose that if you want to delete some 10 element, okay, you have some method to delete it. You know that I have to delete 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 lines. Remove 1, remove 2, remove 3, remove 4, remove 5, something. So avoid to do that. What I have written in range, always I told you that range execute first, so 1 to 5. So it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, not 5. And 4 is nothing but looping, like it start with the left one and it will go up to the end. So start in the first, in starting, what will be the value of 5?
1.
1. Good. So it is going and writing set 1 dot remove, and I for now it is 1. So it deleted 1 from that set. Then again it go and check that 1 I have completed. What is the next? 2. So it will come and it will remove set 1 dot remove 2. That is also finished, so 2 removed already. Now again it will go and it will check 1, 2 already done. What is the next? So 3.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, whether 5. Arvind, come again. 5.
Till 5, it will remove everything.
Whether it will remove 5 or not?
5 also it will remove.
How? But
No.
You have given range between 1 to 5.
Okay, Ashish, you go on.
If it is deleting
up to 4 only, because before the just last one we are not deleting. No?
Remember, Ashish, Anu?
yes.
Okay. So if you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 it deleted. Earlier it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 12. So in that you have removed 1, 2, 3, 4. What is left now? 7, 10, 11, 12. So in the next line when I printed set 1, then it has printed the 7, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So clear with that what is remove. If you want to remove some sequence, then you can do with for I in range like that. Suppose that if I want to remove more than that, then I can give here 10, but it will give you error now. Yeah, see what is error? Key error 5. What is that? And if you see at what line actually it had problem, set 1 dot remove I, and the key error is 5. Why?
Can I say something?
Yeah, you can.
Remove function actually work like if you set have element like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you can remove only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. You can remove function cannot remove element 6 if 6 is not in set, but the start function discard yeah, the remove function give error key error key error, and discard function remove all the elements except if 6 is not in set, it will give none, but it cannot
Okay,
give error.
I got. So Sagar is saying that remove. I will tell you one example. Okay, you know encounter and fake encounter. If you have watched Bollywood and Telugu means South movie, there is a called encounter, real encounter and fake encounter. Okay, so fake encounter is what? If you do not have any cases on you, you are not gangster or something, still police do kill you. That is called fake encounter. And in fake encounter, if caught, then there is like inquiry and many inquiry, police get suspended, okay, all over in news, problem, okay. But if you have a list of case on you, you are like a dreaded criminal and police kill you, then nothing. Ah, very good, very good. So that's why like 1, 2, 3, 4 was present in that. They were like most famous criminal and we were killing them. So up to that was okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When 5 came, because in range I had given 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when it came to 5, then it saw that there is no 5, right? In that set, still you want to kill them. Then journalist published it that, okay, now error. And that's why you see that at that line, it is error. And it's saying that key error 5, because at 5 only it had encountered that problem. So
there is one doubt.
okay.
See, like we have printed after discarding two elements in the result. I'm saying there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So in range we have given as 1 to 10. That means like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, whatever will be. That should be the range. It will not count like what it is missed in between. Correct.
Correct.
So why the error is getting 5? That I don't understand.
Okay, good question. So 8 and 9 we discarded because 8 and 9 was present. Okay, so we were giving some specific criminal that, for example, like Osama bin Laden. I want to kill Osama bin Laden. So Osama bin Laden. Okay, even though it is in America, if Indian police go and kill Osama bin Laden, no one will question that. Why did you kill that? They will have all praise for them. But suppose that if they come and kill you just for you not cooking and you are giving task to Nitish, then that is the problem.
No.
Okay.
No. Like we are removing a range. In between range, we are removing the values. Okay. So what the values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3,
5
whatever.
also. 5 is also there. No, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also there.
No. So it will be removing whatever. No, what my question is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11, 12 is there. Correct. So it is in the range only. It is in the range. Whatever is we are not counting. It is in the range only. Like we are giving Ashish, Arvind, Manish, whatever will be. So if you are removing also, it will be in the range. Correct. But what my question is, giving error is 5. So 5 is not present, so it's giving error as 5.
Yeah.
Okay. But it should be in the range only, no? So 1, 2.
Okay, I got your question. Okay, you are saying that why it is giving error 6, 7, 8 means at least 7, 8, 9 is there. It should have deleted that one and like 5 it should have omitted. Okay, that is not case. Okay, in Kanun, okay, law, everyone is same. It will there is no VIP treatment. It will not go up to 6, 7 until it finish 5. Okay, there is no VIP treatment. It will it not it went to the 6 or 7. It is saying that let me finish with my starting one, then I will go to the next. When it deleted one, 2, 3, 4, up to that it was okay. When it encountered 5 and then there was no element like 5, it raised the error and he got chill. Okay, now it is time to take rest, to watch movie. I do not bother about what is the next element. Okay. So did you get my point?
Okay.
Even though other element was present, but it's saying for today I did enough. I am Indian, means journalist or judiciary. I do not bother for the next. Okay.
Yes.
Now the next. Now I want to suppose that if I want to delete all the element in the set, then there is a method called Harpic. Okay, just we renamed it with clear. So here I had given set 1. In set 1 there is element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many element is there? Totally 5. I want to delete all at once. Okay, so there is a function called name clear. Set 1 dot clear, and remember guys, this 2 line is comment. Okay, this is not the program. This is like, means just to understand it, creating a set. Whenever you start with hash, that is comment. Okay, comment do not get executed. Python understand that this is for your understanding. It is not for us to run it. Okay, so whatever start with hash, it is comment, and it is not for Python to execute it. Just for your sake, I will remove this hash and let's run it. Then now Python will understand that removing all elements from is also instruction, and that is not meaningful, so it will give you errors. In first line itself, removing all the elements from, it is saying that what is this? What is this nonsense? This is not joke. This is not a comedy. Okay, Anu? So again, your question, it should be that set using clear method
No,
is
that I know,
also
that I know,
nonsense
that I know.
statement. Why it is not printing that one? Because whenever the first error come, it is like, okay, I encountered first error. Now I do not have to bother for the next error. Okay. So now I will comment it and just run it. See, I have run set 1 dot clear. So after set 1 dot clear, again I am printing the set 1, and it is printing here. If you see in set, there is nothing. Right? So empty set printing. So what are the function we have learned? That there is a set. In set we can pass any element. Only thing is, it is not in ordered. It will have it will print that element, but in not ordered list. We also learned that it will not keep duplicate object. Suppose that if you can pass, you are free to pass duplicate object, but in while printing time, executing time, it will remove those duplicate element. Okay, and if you want to add some element into that, then you can add it. If you want to add some iterable element, then you can do with the update. There is a called remove. You remove some particular element, you can remove it. Then there is a function named discard. In discard, if that element is present, then it will remove it. If it is not, then it will also say that, okay, no problem. And then there is a pop. Pop do nothing but randomly delete one element. Okay, so up to here we are clear. What is set and what are the operation we can do in set?
Yes.
Okay, then now there is a called Trojan set. For company in organization, we use this Trojan set. Okay, set also we use, and we use like very like in frequency manner, like many times we use like list and set is most of the time, like you should be very clear in list and set in order to work in organization as a Python developer. So here you have Trojan set. Like a set, we can have duplicate. Means we cannot have duplicate, but we can add it, remove it, right? Like in list, also list and set is like work similar. Okay, you can add, delete, modify any. In tuple, remember we were not allowed to do any modification. So we wanted to have a set just like tuple, means it should be a set. It should not allow duplicate thing, but also we cannot modify it. Okay. So in order to do that, there is a name called Trojan set. Okay. Trojan itself in again like Python is English only. Trojan like Trojan means freezed, right? So freezed it. Suppose that you had put water, and if it is freezed, then it become as a one quantity. Suppose that if you want to add water in that ice, it is not possible, right? So here I had,
Nothing.
Okay, so here one variable name is string. In that I had passed the many character gigs for gig. Okay, gigs for. And then I told that you do one thing. You make this set as a Trojan set. Okay. So here that string variable I had passed. I could have passed this. Instead of that, I could have passed this. I think one more I have to. Do I have to do one more? Let's see. So you see that when I give gigs for gigs as a Trojan set, so in phase 1 you cannot see, like after Trojan set this string, I have put that variable called name phase1. So in phase 1 now you cannot add element. Let's try that. Now we should add y. At what line it gives you error? See.
Why add?
Why it gave error? I told you that once it becomes Trojan set, you cannot do any modification. It becomes like tuple. If you remember,
one is actually here getting the variable error. You are getting variable error here.
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Now it will give you the.
See what it gave, that Trojan set object has no attribute add. Thank you, Deepak. So here you see that add is not allowed. Even that if you want to pop, for example, or remove, you want to remove and G is present. No, so if I want to remove G, again it is saying that Trojan set object has no attribute remove. Remember in tuple add modification, remove, deleting was not allowed. Whether as in list it was allowed. Similarly, there is a set and Trojan set. Set and Trojan set is same. Only difference is that in set you can do modification and all. In Trojan set you cannot do any modification. So clear in that. And how you convert a set into Trojan set? nothing, just add Frozen set before that. If I give here a string, that
So what is
variable
the
name is
exactly
string.
used? What is the exactly used for Frozen set?
Okay, I will tell you that. Also, I have to remove this. See, Ashish, like, for example, you are going in trekking, right? So in trekking, you first book that slot and all everything. After that slot, you go and your trekking get started. Okay, once trekking is started in Chikmagalur, for example, every people is there. So before that, like earlier when you are booking, it is set like sometimes you do cancel, and you tell your friend that okay, we are going trekking, Vaibhav, you also come, and you call Raha also, so you added in that bus. And after that, like you started from Silk Board like Bangalore, and you are going to Chikmagalur. Once you reach the Chikmagalur, and then trekking guys started trekking on mountain, then it made that this list of people is nothing but Frozen set. Now no other people can be added in that trek, or neither it is allowed. Means if you remember that in trekking, you are not allowed to go here and there. You have to follow the trek guys, means guide, means whoever is local guide, you have to follow, and you cannot go by your own. So that becomes Frozen set. Okay, so now you understand that what is set and
Yeah.
Frozen set.
Yeah.
In if you ask me that in company where it is used, so I will tell you that where it is used. Like we had customer in my company. So in companies, in customer can be added and relieved once he is using our service. Once it is started the service, no matter what, we made it like as a Frozen set. And if he is using our service 10 hours or 15 hours, we are charging for that. If he's not using our service, then also we have some charges for that. Okay, but whoever customer inquired and all everything, we had made that also in a set, but we are not charging for that. So we had a different as a set and as a Frozen set. For Frozen set,
But-
we are charging, and for the set,
But-
we are not charging. Yeah.
But this is the advantage for the organization, not the customer, right? Because
so-
if you,
Yeah.
yeah,
Go ahead.
no, you said, as you said, means if you, the customer take the services from your organizations, and they cannot cancel it or anything, means they have to charge.
Yeah, we had, okay, good question. So suppose that I have to, suppose that someday customer want to relieve, means want to go out of our organization, he can go it. Then we will make another set. In that we will pass this Frozen set. Okay, every element will be same, and then we will remove that element, that customer, and we will make that set into a Frozen set. So that is like a programmer works. But very good question.
Okay.
Okay. So now set, you understood that what is set and what is Frozen set. But Frozen set for interview question in some company, they might ask you. So now coming to dictionary. Okay, I think is it enough for today, or shall I go for dictionary? What you guys say?
It's enough for today.
Enough.
Okay, so I will stop here. Monday we will learn dictionary. Okay, and only
Sure.
dictionary is left, I think. So Monday we will try to finish it. Okay.
Yeah.
Today, try to understand.
Any other question up to here?
No, we have 2 days time for the practice, so we'll get back to you
Practice
on Monday.
as much as possible. Okay.
Yeah.
Can give us some tasks to complete instead of we are doing practice. We know how much we will do practice.
Oh, good.
No,
Yeah.
you can do by yourself also.
Huh?
Okay, good thing, Vaibhav. So do one. I am teaching you from site name Gigs for Gigs, okay? Python Gigs for Gigs. You do one thing. Practice each scenarios they had given. So, okay, whatever till now we had learned, no, practice that up to that only.
Okay. In the scenarios are there in Geeks for Geeks.
Yes, these all scenario is there. In that one or two I am picking. I also learned from there only. So I recommend you to learn from there. And I am teaching also from there only. Nothing I am teaching new. Just I am copying paste from there. And I am
Don't reveal
teaching
your
from.
secret. It's okay.
Sorry.
Don't reveal your secret. It's okay. We'll practice from there.
Okay. No, so like you go and practice from there so that you can ask more and more question, no? That if you have.
Okay.
Okay. So
Right.
thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Tata. Bye
Thank-
bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Happy weekend.